Okay, to start work with R now, we will repeat some of the steps that we talked about in previous videos. First, you need to have your working directory. So if you are here in desktop, just create a new folder and call it my working directory. So everything will be saved here. Your library will be here. Okay, so since we have this working directory now, folder, we'll go from R here and we try to start a new project. Okay, so you save this. So either you create a new working directory or existing. So if it's existing here, try to just to browse to your working directory that you created. Okay, so it's on desktop. Okay, again we will choose it. So this will be our working directory. In the previous steps, in the previous videos, we just give a command for set working directory and we give the working directory. You can do it also from here in a much better way. So here you will create your project now. So now we see that the R Studio started a new project for us, and this is our previous projects. Okay, if we have our projects here in the previous way, or we can also create or open a project. Okay, so now to check here, we in the console, so we check now our get working directory. Yes, that's correct. So now let's open our code, which I will upload this code and the presentation. The presentation will be on the slide share and the code will be on my website. So we will open the code here now that we will use. The code will be okay, so this is the link for the website that we studied the tutorial based on it. So the first step here, you need now to assign or to copy your library. As we learned that we have a library that we used in the previous videos, please bring along your library in this working directory. Then to avoid to install download more libraries that maybe we'll use it effectively here. So again, already we downloaded a lot of libraries related to the raster processing. No need to download them again, please just bring them along. So I copied my library inside this working directory. I just want to tell that which library I am working on. So dot lib path, I need just to tell the software where is my library. Okay, so this is now our path. So now we are ready to start. I just want to show you actually the data that I stored. I keep actually the original data, then I want to check later on. We want to see how much the error or how much the differences between the imputed values and the original. So it's better that when you download the data, just save as it is, just keep the original file. Also for the missing data, so this is how it's look like after I clean and delete some data from our original data set. Okay, so I just keep the first header here and I just choose the temperature, high, low, dew point, high, low, humidity, high, humidity, low, and precipitation and the events. Okay, for the date, as usual, no need to have any missing, it's a date value, so it's just start from 1st January for almost, I put like 4 months, so we have almost 120 days. Okay, and we have some missing value in everywhere, so I cut from everywhere just to show you the techniques. Okay,